So this week we were talking about significant figures, and I basically gave you 4 rules that we can always work out how many significant figures we record our answer to. Now they're important because it's basically saying a level of confidence, how confident we are in our answer. We don't want to give every number in our calculator if we're not confident about it being every number on our calculator. So the 4 rules, I start off and I added a rule for addition and subtraction, and that is that I need to use the fewest number of decimal places. So I've got this example here, 3.24 plus 6.329. Well, if I actually just put numbers in a calculator, that comes out as 9.569. But I have only 2 decimal places in one of my numbers going in, so my answer should only be to 2 decimal places. So consequently, I've needed to round, in this case I've rounded up, to give my final answer of 9.57. So that's my first rule. Addition and subtraction, I always use the fewest number of decimal places. Now when I'm multiplying and dividing, I should always use the fewest number of significant figures. So in this example, one of my numbers has 7 significant figures, so 8.3144472 has 7 significant figures, and 23.4 only has 3 significant figures. So my answer, when I multiply them, I need to round my answer accordingly to give my answer to 3 significant figures. That's it, no more. So my other 2 rules are to do with logs and exponentials. So if I take a log, whether it's a natural log, so an ln, or a log to the base 10, an log on your calculator, what I'm going to do is however many figures go into it, 1.43 in this case, that's 3 significant figures, my answer needs to have an extra significant figure. So my answer in this case needs to have 4 significant figures. I'm going to add a significant figure. The opposite of that happens when I've got exponents. So this is either e to the something or 10 to the something. In this case, I'm going to lose a significant figure. So in my example here, I've got 5 significant figures in my exponent, the bit that's raised, and I only have 4 in my answer, and that's the correct way. They are my 4 rules. So those 4 rules are all I need to know. Now, if I've got something that has multiple steps, I can carry extra significant figures if I like, but I should always round my answer accordingly. And in general, it's better to think about your answer, not record every number on your calculator. Don't write things like 2dp. Have some reason for it being 2dp. Don't write 3sf, because none of these things show you're thinking about it. Have your answer, record your answer to what you believe it is appropriate number of significant figures. So you've got these rules, you should be able to work it out.